Okay, so we're going to solve some equations that involve exponentials and logarithms. We're going to start with the equation the natural log of e to the x equals 5. Okay, so we're going to apply properties of logarithms. The properties of logarithms say that we can pull exponents down in front. Now, we also have the property of logarithms that when the base, so remember this is really log base e to the e, so when the base and the inside match, they're equal to 1. So what I have here is x times 1 equals 5. So that's the solution to that equation. Let's look at another one. That's very similar. Natural log of e to the minus 2x equals 8. So the whole exponent is going to come down in front. Minus 2x ln of e equals 8. The natural log of e is equal to 1. So I get minus 2x equals 8. Divide both sides by minus 2. And I get x equals minus 4. Now, sometimes what happens is that we have an equation that just has e, it's e to the 3x equals 10. So we want to solve for x. So what we do is we take the natural log of both sides. So this is different because the natural log didn't start out in the equation. So we apply it to both sides. On the left side, we do what we were doing before. So 3x ln of e equals ln of 10. So ln of e is equal to 1. So I get 3x is equal to the natural log of 10. Divide both sides by 3. I get x equals ln of 10 over 3. And this part is in parentheses. Okay, so you do in your calculator, if you type it in just like this, ln of parentheses 10, close parentheses, divided by 3, you'll get your decimal answer. So let's look at one that's a little bit different. E to the 2x plus 5 equals 8. So I start out by applying the natural log to both sides. This whole exponent is going to come down in front, and it's going to be in parentheses. 2x plus 5 in parentheses ln of e equals ln of 8. So ln of e equals 1. So now I can drop off the parentheses since it's times 1. Okay, so this is just a number. It's a number, I can put it in my calculator and get a decimal approximation. So I'm going to solve by subtracting 5 from both sides. And now I have 2x equals ln of 8 minus 5. And finally, get to the answer by dividing both sides by 2. Now, if I get a decimal approximation, the numerator needs to be in parentheses. And this, the 8 needs, natural log of 8. That's a number, then minus 5. That's a result, and then divided by 2. So as you do your homework, it's going to ask you for the exact answer, and then it's going to ask you for a decimal answer. If you get the exact answer correct, but you are missing the decimal answer, it's because you do not know how to use your calculator and you don't know how to input the answer into the calculator. So pay very close attention to what you do to get it right so that you can repeat that on tests and quizzes. So that is it for this this recording. We'll do other examples in others recordings.